on guys, welcome back to the channel. New workout for you today. We're going to be doing legs and HIIT. Alright, so if you want to burn the calories, get the heart rate up, you're going to shred the calories in this one. Also, we're going to get strong legs and toned at the same time. Okay, if you haven't already, if you're new, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any workouts like this one. All you're going to need for this is a dumbbell or a rucksack with some weight in it, or weighted vest, anything like that. Just aiming to give you a bit of extra weight on there. Okay, so we're going to be doing 45 seconds of a leg exercise. We're going to have a 15-second break. Then we're going to do 45 seconds of a HIIT exercise. Okay, we're going to alternate the legs, but with the HIIT, we're going between star jumps. Okay, so with our hands up above our head, and then double high knees. So we bring one knee up, then the other, and then we touch the foot. 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. So we're alternating between those two, and we do our HIIT. Okay. I'll explain the rest of the leg exercises as we go along. Yeah. So make sure you warmed up. Make sure you got yourself a drink, and we'll get going. Okay. So first one we're going to do is a goblet squat. So we're going to hold our dumbbell like this. Equally, if you want to just put the bag on your back, you can do. You're going to squat down nice and low, elbows to knees, and stand back up again. Okay, that is 45 seconds. All right, let's do this, guys. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So hands up here, squatting down nice and low, squeeze the glutes out at the top. Okay, and stand up. That's it. Get as low as you can. The lower you get, the more you're getting out of each rep. If any weight's too light, then you can adjust that as well. You can just add more weight, equally take weight off if you want to. We've got 15 seconds to go. Then we're going to be moving into our first round of star jumps for 45 seconds. Let's do it. Near there. And 3, 2, 1, 15 seconds. Chew yourself out. So star jumps next. Yeah, hands up above our head. Shake your legs out. 45 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So hands up above the head. Feet out to the side. What we're trying to do here, get the heart rate going through the roof. Burn those extra calories, burn the fat off. That's what we're after. Then we're going to dive in with some legs in between. Ooh. Just keep working. If you need to have a break at any point, grab yourself a break. That's perfectly fine. You got this. Keep working. 15 seconds. Doing well. Spot on. Near there. Good, guys. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 15-second break. Cool. We got SUMO deadlift squats next. So we're nice and low down like this. Okay, nice wide stance and standing up. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So weights underneath us. We're coming up. This is a slightly easier option if you want to make it a bit harder. Turn your weight around that way so you have greater range of motion. Okay. That's it. Nice. Keep working. Nice and low. Stand up. Keep the chest up as well. 15 seconds. That's it. Good. Spot everyone. Keep working. Nice wide stance, like you're a sumo. You got this. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. 15 seconds. Double high knees, remember. So 1, 2, 1, 2 for 45 seconds. You got this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So one knee up, then the foot. High knee, then high foot, yeah? Let's go. Keep working. Doing well. Keep working, you guys. Nice and high. One foot after the other. Get the tunes blaring. Pump it up, keep working. 15 seconds to go. Heart rate's high. Let's do it. Spot on, everyone. Nearly there. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Pulses next. Bottom of the squat. And we're just going to pulse it out. Okay, if you need a drink, grab yourself a drink. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nice and low. Pulse it out. Okay. Low as you can. That's it, nice. Let's go, we got this. So you want the quad parallel to the floor, chest up. You don't want to be tip forwards like this. Bring your chest up, head up. And just pulsing. Keep the legs working. After this, we're back around our star jumps. Okay, that's it. 15 seconds. Let's keep this up. Nearly there. Legs are on fire. Keep going. You got this. Nearly there. And 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Shake those legs out. Nice. Star jumps next. Back around the low star jumps. Shake them out. I'll be ready. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hands up above the head. Ooh. Nice, guys. Keep putting it in. Keep working, keep going. You can do this. Spot on. Hands up above the head. Keep working. Just think about the results you're going to get at the end of this. Try not to stop. If you can, we're going to get a break soon. Let's keep this up, keep working. 10 seconds left. Come on, guys. You got it. Perfect. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Okay, next one. We're going to be on our knees, coming up to the bottom of the squat. 3 pulses, back down. Make sure you alternate the feet you're coming up with. 3, 2, 1, up we go. So, bottom of the squat, 3 pulses. Once you've done your 3, then back on your knees, swap the legs over. Okay, that's it. So we're still working those quads. Whew. Then after this one, back around to those double high knees. Yeah, really important that you do alternate the legs, right to left, left to right, where we're not going to get any imbalances in our body. Okay. Ooh, 10 seconds. Then double high knees. Spot on. Nice, guys. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Double high knees next. Shake those legs out. 10 seconds. Doing well if you made it this far. Ooh. And are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Knees up nice and high. Foot, foot. Yeah, that's it. Good. Whew. Come on. You can do this. Keep going, keep going. Right, let's go. Spot on. Cheers. 2 more leg exercises after this one. 2 more rounds of HIIT. Then we're finished. 10 seconds. Let's go. Spot on. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Side lunge on the next one. Leg out. We're lunging down. We're pulsing over that leg. Okay. Right leg first. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So we're staying over this leg. Okay. It's not going to be a stretch down here. If you can feel it, you can just point your toe. Okay. Also, you might be coming a bit too low for your movement, so you can just stay up a bit higher. Yeah. But if you can, get as low as possible. Pulse on the same leg. Ooh. Keep working. Got this. 15 seconds. Then we're back round to those star jumps. 10 to go. Oh, my legs are on fire. Let's go. Keep it up. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, and relax. Good. Cool. Star jumps next. We got 10 seconds. Let's do it. Keep it going. 3 minutes left. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Star jumps. Hands up. Above the head. Keep the legs moving. They've done well. Let's go. Keep this up. You can do it. That's 20 seconds gone. Come on. Keep putting it in. We've got 2 left. Off this one. 2 left. That's all. 15 seconds. Hands up over your head. Keep yourself moving. Good. Let's go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. You can probably guess. Next exercise, exactly the same on the other leg. Yeah, so that side lunge on the other leg. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So side lunge down that left leg this time. Remember, chest up. As low as you can. Just go as low as your body can go. If you're up here, that's fine. Just stay up here. Because it's more of a pulse, you can just slowly work your way down. Some people will get lower than me, you know. Just go as far as you can. 15 seconds. Then 1 more round. That's it. 10 to go. Whew. Legs are burning. Let's go. Keep it up. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, and relax. Nice. Double high knees. To finish it off with. 45 seconds. You can do this, guys. Let's go. You can do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Legs are feeling it. That's it. Good. Let's keep this up. Keep it going. Try and blast it. That's 15 seconds gone. Sprint finish. Pick it up. Keep going. You got it. Come on, guys. Spot on. There you go. Oh, 15 seconds left. That's all. 15 seconds. Don't stop. 10 to go. Good. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Nice one. Well done. Make sure you grab yourself a drink. Shake your legs out. Oh, shake everything out. If you enjoyed that one, do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which exercise you found the hardest. For me, had to be those side lunges near the end. Legs are really tired, but had to be those. If you haven't already, like I said right at the start, do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any workouts like this one. But until next time, guys, well done. See you on the next one.